Continuing KXLY4 News coverage now, a Spokane jury trying to decide if major crimes detectives have arrested the right person in connection with a series of cold case murders that happened more than a quarter century ago. KXLY4's Jeff Humphrey working for you at Spokane Superior Court with a look at closing arguments in Donna Perry's murder trial. Jeff, a lot of talk today about Perry's sex change operation.
And prosecutors have been very careful not to disrespect Miss Perry in front of her jury, always referring to the gender that she now identifies with. However, today in closing arguments, the gloves came off as the state tried to use Perry's sex change operation as proof of her guilt.
I didn't do it. I didn't kill these women. I didn't even know these women.
When Donna Perry was first arrested, she denied murdering 3 women working as prostitutes. Now her defense attorneys concede there is DNA and a thumbprint that links Perry to the victims, but say that evidence got there because Perry frequented prostitutes when she was a man.
The evidence in this case will show that at the time of these deaths, Miss Perry was living with a prostitute and involved in the community. And then, more than 2 decades later, the state cherry picks evidence, tries to put Miss Perry in the center of it, and make it all fit.
Today, prosecutors claim 2 of the 3 women were killed when Perry's girlfriend, who was also a prostitute, was in jail, and that Perry robbed the victims to raise money to bond his girlfriend out. The state also claims that Perry changed her gender to avoid suspicion.
She stated that she felt like she had to become a woman to stop the violence. And that's why she went through the sex change.
Perry's attorneys did not call any witnesses, and Perry did not take the stand in her own defense. Prosecutors say Perry killed the victims and further degraded them after they were dead because Perry was jealous of their ability to have children.
Each of their bodies was left displayed on the banks of the Spokane River in northeast Spokane. They were either naked or their breasts and genitals were otherwise purposely exposed.
The jury went home, Nadine, today without reaching a verdict. Prosecutors also asking that panel to find the existence of an aggravating factor, specifically that all of these murders were part of a common scheme or plan. If the jury hits on that, it could increase Perry's punishment if she's convicted. Reporting live at the Spokane Superior Court, Jeff Humphrey, KXLY4.
All right, thank you, Jeff.